In this video, I will show you how to refer friends on Revolut. So if you want to refer friends on Revolut, then this video is for you. So first of all, you need to fire up your Revolut app, and then from there, from the Home tab, you need to click on your initials at the top left, and in here you need to click on referrals, and from your referrals you need to scroll down, and there you will find that your reward will be 80 euros for each friend that you refer. If you want to get your link and to start referring friends, then you just need to click on invite friends. And the requirements are as following. Your friends need to sign up with your link and verify their identity. They need to add money to their account via debit or bank transfer. They need to order a physical card, add it to Apple Pay or Google Pay, and start using contactless. And they need to make 3 purchases of 5 euros or dollars minimum each. So if you want to get started, you just need to click on this link down below saying invite friends. So let's go ahead and click on this. And then in here, you can just add contacts to your Revolut by enabling it through your settings. You can copy the link at the bottom left, or you can send it on social media. I'm just going to copy the link in here, and now I'm ready to send it to friends. So this is how you refer friends on Revolut. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.